Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here, I have a PR package here from Born Pretty. Born Pretty reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try their pink, it's a pink jelly nail polish set. So I said, yeah, of course. I've heard such great things about Born Pretty. I have never used their polishes, so I'm super excited to try this. I like the packaging. It's real pretty. It's black and then it's got different colors here and it says Born Pretty. And then in here you get 6 bottles. And then it just says if there's anything wrong with your order, please contact us. And yeah, you can find this on Amazon. So I'll go ahead and link this kit down below. We'll go ahead and open it up. That's so pretty. Real clean looking. Alright. Ooh, these are pretty. So we get this little gel polish user's manual here. And then it just tells you how to use, it says solid color, holographic, color changing, how to use the chameleon, how to use the magnetic. And it has a QR code here. You can scan and then you can watch, it says use the video QR code. I guess watch videos on how to apply them. So that's great. And then here it says how to remove the gel polish. So that's always great. All right, so let's see. We get 6 colors here. So this first one is BPJR06. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Look at that. This one's like a jelly red colored. Yeah, these are like jelly milky colors, it says. The next one is BPJR05. This is another kind of jelly pinkish color. This one is BPJR04. It's like a mauve color maybe. Yeah, I'm also going to do a set, but I just wanted to see the colors first so I can get an idea of what I want to do. BPJ03. Again, it's like another, oops, I'm sorry, another pinkish kind of jelly, like a peachy color. Ooh, that's pretty. This is BPJR02. So yeah, this is like a more of a pinkish, brighter pink jelly. Super pretty. And then the last one here, this is BPJR01. Yeah, it's like a really light peachy pink. Super pretty. All right, so I'll go ahead and get my swatch sticks out here and we'll go ahead and swatch them. All right, so I have the swatch sticks here and then I already put a base coat on them. So yeah, I really like the bottles. They're really pretty. And it does have a little window here so you can see the color, but this is the first one. This is the 01. It's pretty. Yeah, this one's like a real sheer pink. I like the way they go on. They go on really smooth. I'll go ahead and do another coat. But yeah, they're real smooth and nice to work with. That's really pretty. It's like a beigey color. This one's pretty. This is like a mauve, color. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but it's a mauve. It's really pretty. This one's pretty. This is like a reddish kind of pink color. Really pretty. I like that. It's pretty. This is like that reddish, pretty. Oh, it's pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, I like that jelly red. Really pretty. Alright, so these are the colors all swatched here. I did do 2 coats and then I applied a top coat. Super pretty. Oh, I really like them. I don't really have any colors like this, jelly colors at all, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, these are super pretty. I'm gonna come up with a design or a set to do with these, so that'll be coming up next. Alright, so I just applied my Nail Couture Peel Off Base Coat, and I just have to let that dry for about a minute or so. Alright, so to apply the tips, I'm using the Nail Couture. They're the almond. Yeah, they're just the almond tips. Because I'm going to try to do, I'm going to do a strawberry set because I have I'm going to use that really pretty red and then like this pinkish, one of the pinkish color. I'm using the 03 and the 06. And then I have the little strawberry charms, and then I have some little strawberry stickers, but I'm going to attempt to draw like the strawberry leaves and stuff on 2 of the nails. So I kind of wanted like a strawberry, how it comes down at a point. And I have shorter stiletto, but the charm wouldn't look right on it because it's so short. So I'm going to go ahead and use the almond shape, and I'm going to use the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue. I absolutely love this stuff. I have a kit that I got a couple months ago, and it has the glue, it has a little light, and then it has a bunch of different tips, but it just didn't have any of like the stiletto almond, so I really wanted to use that for the strawberry shape. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this gel. I have my little flashy light here. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bit in there and then go ahead and place that at an angle, press it down, and then go put it under the light. Alright, so these are all filed and buffed, and then I just wiped them with some alcohol to remove any dust or debris that was on them. So I'm going to use my Madam Glam base coat because I didn't get a base coat with this kit. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to each nail and then cure my hand for 30 seconds. And yeah, the tip looks a little white just because I used alcohol. So for my pinky, ring finger, and thumb, I'm going to be using the JR03, which is a beigey color. And then on my middle and index finger, I'll be using that very pretty, that really red jelly one. So yeah, I'm going to apply 2 coats, and then I'm going to cure each coat for 60 seconds. So I really like the way they go on. They go on real smooth. They're not streaking or anything. So yeah, I really like these polishes. Alright, so I did 2 coats of the beige one on these nails here, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's sheer, but you can't really see your nail bed under it, but it's still sheer. Oh, I just love it. Super pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat those so that they don't get fuzz and hair and stuff on them because I got animals here. So, and then we'll go ahead and I'll show you the red one. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the JR06, which is the red. I'm so excited for this. So as soon as I saw this color, I don't know why, I just thought of strawberries. And this kind of reminds me of like a strawberry jelly, strawberry jam. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Alright, so I really like these. So pretty. I did do 3 coats of the red. I mean, it's still sheer. Oh, it's so pretty. Love it. Alright, so now we're going to get started on the nail art. So yeah, there's some little marks in it, but I think once I put the top coat, it'll look better. So right now we're gonna go in with some white gel liner, and I'm just gonna do like the little, they're not even dots, they're kind of like, I don't know, longer shaped little ovals or something. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do those little white, the little white marks on the strawberry. Alright, so I went ahead and put a top coat on those, and then on the pinky and the thumb, I'm going to be putting some of these little strawberry stickers. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the little strawberry charm on with the squeezy gummy jelly from Eno Couture. Alright, this is the finished set here. I think they came out really cute. I absolutely love these polishes. They were so easy to work with, and I just want to say thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these beautiful polishes. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll see you next time. Bye.